Introducing a HMDA-approved mega-gated community venture at Ibrahimpatnam, highway-facing 650 acres venture. This iconic entrance sets the stage for a HMDA-approved mega-gated community venture unlike any other. With 24/7 vigilant security on duty throughout the entire venture, your peace of mind is our priority. Welcome to a picturesque journey along the 80-feet road, adorned with stunning plantation and natural beauty. Step into a world of opulence and exclusivity, where luxury villa plots are complemented by a dedicated clubhouse. Dedicated grand entrance arch for villa plots. Welcome to our thriving community, where each villa stands as a testament to luxurious living. These elegant homes are not just houses, but vibrant spaces where families create cherished memories. In our vibrant community, many residents have already made this place their home, enjoying the tranquility of nature firsthand. Here, the presence of nature isn't just a backdrop, but an integral part of everyday life, offering moments of peace and rejuvenation. Navigate through our meticulously planned community with ease thanks to a network of well-maintained blacktop roads, whether it's the spacious 60-foot boulevards or the convenient 40 and 33-foot lanes. Every road is designed to enhance accessibility and comfort. Behold the heart of our community, a meticulously landscaped chaurasta that captivates with its natural splendor. Here, every corner blooms with color, creating a tranquil oasis where residents gather and connect. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, where the symphony of birdsong and rustling leaves provides a soothing soundtrack to everyday life. Step into luxury and leisure with our state-of-the-art clubhouse, now 75% completed and designed to redefine your lifestyle. From the inviting entrance foyer to the spacious lounge areas and fitness center, every detail reflects meticulous planning and premium craftsmanship. Experience a journey through natural beauty, where perfectly grown plantation lines every side of the road. This meticulously maintained greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also creates a refreshing and serene atmosphere. At our venture, caring for the plantation is more than a task. It's a labor of love that defines our commitment to beauty and sustainability. From meticulously manicured gardens to flourishing roadside plantations, every corner reflects our dedication to maintaining a vibrant and inviting environment. Witness the transformation as plot owners bring their dreams to life, constructing houses that reflect their unique styles and aspirations. From laying the groundwork to raising walls and adding finishing touches, each home tells a story of dedication and vision. From community centers designed for events and gatherings to tranquil parks and playgrounds for families, every space is crafted to foster connections and enhance well-being. They're vibrant hubs that promote a sense of belonging and community spirit. Experience seamless connectivity and convenience on our expansive 60-feet blacktop road. Designed for easy navigation and aesthetic appeal, this road enhances accessibility while blending harmoniously with the community's natural surroundings. Prepare to be captivated by the fantastic views we meticulously maintain within our community. Whether you're relaxing on your balcony or exploring our community's trails, you'll always find yourself immersed in breathtaking scenes that elevate daily life. In our community, each chaurasta is crafted to be a moment of momentum, a focal point that embodies beauty and functionality. These designed intersections serve not only as gathering spots, but as serene respites where residents can pause, reflect, and connect with nature. Experience the allure of hillside plotting in our venture, an enchanting blend of natural beauty and modern living. These mesmerizing plots offer residents a chance to build their dream homes amidst picturesque landscapes, where every angle reveals a new perspective of tranquility. Imagine a community where functionality meets aesthetics seamlessly, where underground infrastructure like underground water lines, underground electricity, and underground drainage ensures a pristine environment. Welcome to our fully functioning clubhouse, designed to enrich the lives of all plot owners within our community. Here, residents enjoy exclusive access to a wide range of facilities, tailored to meet diverse interests and promote a vibrant community spirit. Whether it's unwinding by the poolside, hosting events in the banquet halls, or simply relaxing in serene surroundings, the clubhouse offers something for everyone. Beyond amenities, the clubhouse serves as a hub for social gatherings, fostering friendships and creating lasting memories for families and individuals alike. Experience the epitome of community living with our fully functioning clubhouse, a place where luxury, leisure, and camaraderie converge. Your happiness begins here. We are here to help you to find best and suitable plot for you. Great investment. Call us for free site visit today.